Simon, the competition hasn't even started yet.
Okay, you can make it go.
It's who I am.
He's so quiet.
It's videoing. Videotaping.
And it's going up, and now it is
Hey,
coming down.
can you sing Grandpa Rick the helicopter song? Sing it. Turn it up.
But I can't.
Yeah, you can. Stop and sing, and then I'll let you play with it. Sing it.
Big choppers, big helicopters, the way the park. It was get fun, straight up, and she backs up with a big fat woolly bottle, little woolly bottle. Helicopters, oh yeah, start that airplane.
You know all the words.
I didn't understand the words, but
After he saw that TV, after he watched it once, he knew the words.
I know, it's scary.
now what was the show about?
It's about helicopters.
And he knows the song all about helicopters? Can you sing?
Ow,
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
yes, two.
Yeah. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yahoo! She'll
Well,
be
Channel 5.
coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yahoo! Oh, we'll all run up to meet her when she comes. Hi. Hi, babe. We'll all run up to meet her when she comes.
Hi.
Okay, so anyone want to say happy 2009? Any thoughts for the coming year?
Happy New Year! We're gonna have another little baby.
Yay! This time next year we'll have Lil Connor.
You'll be out. You'll be out. We'll hear you.
Jeff, anything to say?
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Everything on Channel 5.
2009.
Yay! Zachary, you want to say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
2009.
Say 2009 is here.
2009 is here.
Hooray!
When's your baby brother going to be born?
It's February.
Right.
Can you sing Frosty the Snowman?
And when's your birthday?
It's 15.
When?
It's 15.
15 was he thinks 15 because Jeff's birthday is March 15th. Your birthday is May 13th.
It's around here.
He came out.
It's around here.
Where's he going?
It's going to the airport.
Oh, to the airport?
What state is he going to, Zach? Where's he flying to? Is he going to Florida? Where is he going to? Is he going to Cincinnati?
Daddy.
Is he going to Cincinnati?
Whoa.
Where else could he be going? Where's he going?
It could be like Adam Gagnon.
It needs to charge
Needs
a
to
little
charge.
bit more.
Needs to charge a little bit more.
Yeah, it needs to charge.
Okay.
Say thanks, Daddy.
Daddy, charge it.
Charge it.
It's
That is so much fun, isn't it?
Here.
You want the pillow? It's Auntie Sarah's pillow.
You want it?
Okay.
No.
Why?
Not good, but
Can you give me one last smile? One last smile.
See.
We'll tell you if you sing Frosty.
Sing Frosty.
Down to the village for the morning service. Over there is a if you can.
Now look here and say, hi Grandma Thelma, hi Grandpa Dick.
Hi Grandma Thelma, hi Grandpa Dick.
And say, hi Uncle Andy and Aunt Mary and Auntie Amy.
Hi Uncle Andy and Aunt Mary. and a T-A-B.
And say one last, say, I love you, Mookie.
No.
I want you, Mookie.
Never did.
Give her, pretend to
Give her
give her
a
a meow.
Give her a meow.
Give her a meow, meow kiss.